Hello everyone, I am Dr. P.S. Dhabe, working as an Associate Professor and Head Department of Zoology in Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola. Welcome all of you in this session. Today we will see induced breeding in fishes. Induced breeding is a technique by which ripe fishes are stimulated by pituitary hormone introduction to breed in captivity. The stimulation promotes a timely release of eggs and sperm from ripe gonads. The active factors like luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone are present in fish pituitary. We will see the Indian major carps. Indian major carps means cultivable and fast growing species of India, that is Rohu, Katla and Mrigal. These are exotic carps, grass carp, silver carp and common carp. The scientific name of grass carp is Ctenopharyngodonella. The scientific name of silver carp is Hypophthalmictis molitris and scientific name of common carp is Cyprinus carpio. Major carps are most important species from the point of view of their high food and nutritive values. Hence, they have kept attention of scientists and aqua farmers. They have peculiar habit of breeding in running waters of rivers and streams where they have large space for movement. During breeding season, water is sufficiently provided with minerals, oxygen and food contents. This friendly aquatic environment provides stimulus for spawning. Carps do not breed in confined water of captivity even if their gonads are mature and ovulation might have takes place in natural environment. For the increasing production of carp, it is necessary that they should be made to breed in confined water so that increasing demand of good quality fish and their seed could be available. This can be done by adopting induced breeding technique by which ripe fishes breed in confined water when stimulated by induction of pituitary hormone. The pituitary hormone is an important gonadotropin which is extracted from the hypophysis of mature fishes. Induced breeding of carp in captivity by the use of pituitary hormone injection has been successfully done. Many scientists are involved in doing research to improve induced breeding technique. Selection of brooders. Brooders are selected from the stocking pond. Medium-sized, fully ripe and healthy fish of around 2 to 4 years of age is preferred for induced breeding. The weight should be 1 to 5 kg. Healthy male and female breeders should be identified and netted out before the breeding season and should be kept in spawning pool. They should be provided with supplementary food. Slide shows the dissection and removal of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is situated on the ventral side of the brain below the hypothalamus, which is connected to the pituitary gland by a funnel-like structure, the infundibulum. In case of common carp, a small droplet of blood indicates the place where the pituitary gland was connected to the brain. There are so many methods for the preservation of pituitary gland. Fresh pituitary gland can also be used immediately after collection to prepare a pituitary extract. The dose of pituitary extract to be given is decided according to the age, sex, weight size, and state of maturity of both donor and recipient. A dose 2 to 3 milligram of gland per kg body weight is given to female breeders. We will see the Indian major calves. Indian major calves means cultivable and fast growing species of India, that is Rohu, Katla and Mrigal. Method of induction: intramuscular induction on the caudal peduncle. Lateral line is excluded. Both the injected male and female are put together in a spawning pool. This is a breeding pool or spawning pool of Chinese circular hatchery. There is a artificial showering to create the environmental condition for the induced breeding. After injection, male and female usually spawn within 6 hours in breeding pool. Slide shows the dissection and removal of fertilized eggs are transferred into the incubation tank in Chinese circular hatchery. There are so many advantages of induced breeding. The seed spawn is timely available. Then a pure spawn of a desired species is made available. Any quantity of pure spawn can be made available. Several calves attain sexual maturity in ponds, but they do not breed in confined water. Such fish can be subjected to induced breeding and spawn can be collected. A number of new generation drugs are available as an alternative to the pituitary extract. For example, Ohaprim, Ohatide. Ohaprim is a salmon gonadotropin releasing hormone analog and domperidone injection. Ohatide is also synthetic fish hormone for the induced breeding of fish. These are also popular new generation drugs. Sponopro and Oharim are useful for the induced breeding in fishes. Gonopro FH and OA FH, these are popular fish hormone for the induced breeding. Some of these drugs can be produced cheaply and hence can replace the pituitary extract. The pituitary extract containing gonadotropins are used in fish culture. Use of pituitary extract for forced spawning of the fishes is based upon the fact the extract contains gonadotropin, which stimulate the gonads to complete maturation and to secrete sex hormone. These cells are usually located in the proximal pars distalis of pituitary gland. Maturation of gonad depends on hormones produced by the pituitary gland. The production of sex hormone by the gonad is also under the control of the pituitary gland. Today we will see induced breeding